Hello, this is Prakash Patil. I'm here to introduce you to QCloud, a no-code based cloud infrastructure deployment tool. This video is part of a series of videos that we are walking you through deploying an AWS EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Services-based infrastructure. In this video, I will walk you through the concepts and give you an overview of the various components in QCloud. What you see is the high-level architecture for QCloud. It is a set of Docker containers, including an Nginx proxy, a Spring and Tomcat backend, a React-based frontend, a database, and a container for Pulumi. Pulumi is the backend software that we use to maintain, store and maintain state, and interact with the cloud providers like AWS and Azure. From a logical components perspective, QCloud has three main components. On the top, you see an organization, which is a security boundary. And the second level is the workspace, which is a logical boundary. And this is analogous to a specific purpose, an application or a use case. For example, for an application like CRM, we could create a workspace. And within a workspace, you have stacks. Stacks are the deployable unit of infrastructure. And this could be analogous to a specific environment for an application like dev, prod, and test. So if I could have a stack for, let's say, networking components, compute components, and these two can form a stack group. The stack group is nothing but a collection of stacks where I can easily pass output parameters as input parameters to other stack resources. Similar to the stack group called dev, I can have one for test and one for prod. And all these stack groups and stacks are contained within a workspace. So I can create additional workspaces, and then all the workspaces are contained within an organization. So in terms of the deployment flow, a typical deployment in QCloud will consist of first setting up the prerequisites, creating an organization, defining roles and permissions, and then adding or registering users that will interact with QCloud. Once that is in place, you can create workspaces, stacks, compose the infrastructure using either the deployment wizard or on the canvas, define properties, and then you deploy the stack and manage the stacks from there. This completes the overview and a walkthrough of the logical components of QCloud. Thank you.